How to cancel a Telstra mobile plan using the app. Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to cancel a Telstra mobile plan using the My Telstra app. This tutorial will walk you through the entire cancellation process in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the My Telstra app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in with your Telstra ID to access all your account features. Next, tap on the Services tab located at the bottom of the screen. This section displays all the Telstra service linked to your account. From the list of active services, select the mobile plan that you would like to cancel. This will take you to a page with more detailed information about that plan. Once you've selected your mobile plan, tap the Manage button. This gives you access to various options for adjusting your plan or account settings. Scroll down through the available options until you see Cancel Plan. Tap on it and carefully follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the cancellation. After completing the steps, you'll receive a confirmation message stating that your cancellation request has been submitted. You may also receive an email confirmation shortly after.